What's up, dude?
Hey, you ready?
You're here?
No, I'm just making sure that you're up.
Oh, yeah. I was just about to get up.
Alright, cool.
Nice.
Judge me.
You're scared, 'cause I am too. What's up, everybody? Down here in Oregon at Canyon Beach, I believe it's pronounced. Forgot my damn phone, so can't do a drone time lapse of the sunset. But I do have my A7 R2 running, and then Troy is down there with his, I think it's A6000, I believe, maybe a 6300. But if you can come here, I would definitely check out Canyon Beach. This place is just beautiful. I hope everyone gets to experience traveling in their lifetime to new places, because this is just a spectacular spot.
You cold because I am so cover your toes with a jacket in your bones, with a blanket out. She tells me that I'll be alright, and for a second it feels like I believe it, 'cause I forgot the way.
As beautiful as this is, I just want to sit here and watch.
I'm just trying to be brave. I'm just trying to be brave.
Just woke up. Didn't even do hair or makeup yet. This is like what it looks like when you've been out all day and you just come home and crash.